I am Satish Kumar Srinivasan, the Training Manager at cliniLaunch Research Institute. Today, clinical research is a multi-billion dollar business that produces all of the medications, devices, and procedures of tomorrow. This endeavor encompasses academic research institutions, medical societies, hospitals, clinics, pharmaceutical manufacturers, device manufacturers, contract research organizations, regulatory bodies, individual clinical research sites, and research subjects. The clinical research engine has evolved from studies performed on a small number of indigent patients in public hospitals to sophisticated clinical research protocols, ascertaining the benefits and risks of complex treatments across many locales. At cliniLaunch, our students learn the entire business process of clinical research, including how to design a clinical research study, clinical trial management, ethics of human subject research, regulatory affairs in various jurisdictions. The course curriculum is designed to start and succeed in clinical research. There are lessons to be learned from the past and confidence to be had for the future. The goal of clinical research is to be worthy of the trust and respect to guide the practice of medicine for decades to come. With a complex system that functions optimally, medicine will continue to generate advancements needed for the insightful and high quality care of humans for which we toil. Come and join cliniLaunch and learn from our experts to become a part of a larger medical community.